Hey guys, so a couple weeks ago I posted this video right here, which did pretty well, but I had a lot of comments saying,
hey, you need safety glasses.
So today I'm going to redo that video and wear safety glasses. Let's get it. Alright, first grab any old piece of wood. Here's this little piece of 2x4. There's no such thing as scraps, it's just things you haven't used yet. Alright, so we're going to measure in about 4 inches and cut it there. Alright, then we'll get a square and measure in about 1.5 inches and then another 5/8 of an inch. And then we're going to make those lines straight. And then next we're going to use any flat edge and draw an X on the back part right here. And then draw a dot at the meeting point of those two lines. That is what your 2x4 should look like. Come over to your bandsaw and cut those lines, but only go about half the width of the 2x4. Now put it in a vise, and then pound away at that middle section until you get it removed. Get a 15/16 inch. Get a 1-inch paddle bit and drill right on that dot you drew earlier. Battery's dead. Don't tell me this battery's dead too. There we go. It meted the groove right there, and that's just what we wanted. Now for everybody's favorite part, sanding. Now, if you wanted to, you could slap a little bit of stain on this and it would make it look a lot nicer, but it will work just as fine without it. For the people who haven't seen the original video, this is actually a phone holder. For the people who don't know what this is, it's a phone holder with an audio amplifier. If you haven't already, go check out Who's the Boss. He has a ton of great videos over there, so I would highly recommend him. And I'll put a link to his channel in the video description below. So thanks for watching. I will see y'all next time.